Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, fog lamps, skid plates, Inside you'll find steering wheel, audio controls, cruise control, power outlet. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Experience the perfect harmony of